Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a spring/Easter tablescape set up for you. So right here I have my placemats. So this color is olive and the lighter color is sage, and this is the napkin I'll be using, and this is a 20 by 20 napkin, and these I got at Kitchen Stuff Plus. So I went with the mixed green color because I know I will be able to use these again, and I like to invest in items I know I can use over and over outside of the seasons. So these are called woven vinyl placemats, and they were like $2.39 each at Kitchen Stuff Plus, which is a great price. So I'm going to be putting them down alternately, and these come in many different colors, guys. So if you have or want a different color palette, you could choose the colors that you want. If you want more pastels, then you could also go with those options. So I'm glad I went with the mixed color because the lighter color does give the table a pop since it's so dark. So I really like how it's looking. Now I'm adding these gold rimmed plates that I'm using for the setup. So they are not glass or china, but just hard plastic. So I'm going to be showing you the napkin fold that I'm going to be using for the setup. It's a cute Easter bunny ear setup, and I will be adding some chocolate eggs to that as well. This is super cute, guys, and the chocolate eggs will definitely serve as a little treat for your guest. So guys, the centerpiece that I'm using here, I do have a video on my channel when I made this centerpiece, my spring/Easter centerpiece. I'm using it and I think it looks great for this setup. The additional colors and the cute little bunny butt does make this piece stand out. So this is how it turned out, guys, and I really love it. I did add some Easter eggs along the same color theme to give it just a little extra pop, and I really love it. I mean, the colors, the eggs, it's great for spring and it's great for Easter as well. So I will be posting another video, guys, breaking down this same tablescape into a more simpler casual look that's gonna be great for like a brunch setting or a breakfast setting. So look out for that in my next video.